In tech's vast expanse, we persistently pursue extraordinary horizons. For 2 decades, CLT has continuously innovated, driven by the mission, making LED display simpler. Crafted landmark outdoor LED screens across China. Sole display partner for Canton Fair's 24 editions. Amid the Industry 4.0 wave, LED commercial displays with enhanced hardware-software integration have emerged. CLT, pioneering LED commercial displays, created the industry-first all-in-one LED screen, breaking norms while redefining visual field. With an annual 8% revenue investment in R&D, CLT has excelled in large-screen foldable seamless display, fully automatic lifting control, AIoT interaction, and wireless transmission technologies. Facing diverse and multi-scene needs, CLT has created a new future-oriented display ecosystem, movable LED display. CLT leverages flexibility, rapid deployment, AIoT to break free from fixed display constraints, ushering in a high-dimensional era of movable LED display. CLT's foldable all-in-one LED display integrates an innovative fold-lift design with real-time interaction, offering plug-and-play portability. As a pinnacle of mobile displays, it delivers stunning visuals for business events, exhibitions, conferences, outdoor drills, and beyond. CLT's intelligent all-in-one LED display redefines mobile display standards with plug-and-play simplicity. Its versatile product line fulfills diverse needs effortlessly. Smart poster screen, installation-free, portable, and cloud-controlled with seamless wireless splicing. Adaptable to dynamic indoor layouts or outdoor setups, delivering an immersive display anywhere. Intelligent vehicle screen, mobile broadcast control, delivering innovative solutions for mobile media and satellite broadcasting, comprehensively pioneering mobile display trends. CLT has accumulated more than 300 patents globally and more than 10 world-first technologies and 18 software copyrights. A wide range of certifications endorse us: CCC, FCC, CE, ETL, CB, and PSC, among others. Winner of German IF Design Award. CLT adheres to the be the first or the only concept as its enterprise innovation gene. Years of scientific research with a straight feedback from the integration stage, cross-border integration, have achieved the convergence of display, structure, fold, platform, system, and algorithm power. Created the DCS display platform, combining intelligent display, smart control, innovative structural design, and AI interaction. It builds a matrix product ecosystem and strongly drives LED full-scene innovation. With features of lower cost of stockpiling, worry-free fractional inventory, 3-in-1. CLT self-developed a highly integrated 3-in-1 hub with high reliability, with a failure rate on 1/10 of similar products. The leading electric control lifting system, which is combined with AI control and remote interconnection, represents the perfect combination of technology and art. The DCS platform comprehensively covers indoor and outdoor LED poster display, all-in-one LED display, movable LED display, engineering integrated AIO display, professional LED display, etc. CLT provides global customers with a unique innovative business model and an advanced new enterprise business strategy. CLT adheres to the principle of innovation and integrity, and always sticks to the concept of putting customers at the center. CLT is breaking through the barriers of the new LED display, creating unprecedented value for customers. CLT, the global leader in commercial movable LED display.